Do Sunday Scaries ruin your weekend? I was in a car with my buddy and we both made the realization that it feels like Sunday is a new Monday, at least emotionally. So it's almost like we have Friday night, we have Saturday to enjoy ourselves. Because we get into Sunday and we start thinking about all the things that we have to do on Monday with answering emails and tasks and that BS, then we ruin our Sundays. And because we're thinking about it, our stress response kicks in and our body thinks we're actually dealing with a real threat. Now I get it. That Monday afternoon meeting that you haven't prepared for is real scary. That sucks. So you want some tips on how to make it not suck? Come here. Let me tell you. Friday afternoon, because we all know that not a lot's getting done during that time anyways, take the time to plan out your entire week. When are you making calls? When are you doing follow up? When are you asking for referrals? When are you answering all those emails? All of it to the best of your ability. Now, of course, if you're dealing with a lot more flux because you typically take inbound calls or you don't know typically when things are going to happen to you, I get it. Do your best. Plan out Monday. Second is go to bed an hour earlier than you normally do. If you're normally crashing at 11, go to bed at 10. If you're like me and you have a baby and you try to go to bed by 9, then try to go to bed by 8 and be that old person, because starting the week off exhausted, it sucks. East Coast people, record Sunday Night Football. Your fantasy football team isn't going to score any more points just because you're awake or you're asleep. I promise. And lastly is be freaking present. Eckhart Tolle in The Power of Now talks about how if you're spending most of your time in the past, it's typically in the form of regrets. If you're spending most of the time thinking about things in the future, it's typically in the form of fears. Be present, take a deep breath, enjoy your Sunday like you should, relax, recharge. You'll thank me when the start of your week doesn't suck. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to keep fueling your brain with good content. Whee!